Students, now you are going to learn about standard form and scientific notation. The standard form means, from the lower class you have learned about it. Standard form of a number is just the number as we normally write it. We use expanded notation to show the value of each digit. So that is according to the place value, we separate the digits. That is exhibited as the sum of each digit duly multiplied by its matching place value, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, etc. For example, for 195 in the standard form, that is, for it is ones, tens, hundred. So it is 5 into 1, it is 9 into 10, it is 1 into 100. It is in a ones place, it is in a tens place, it is in a hundred place. It is the standard form. Next, for the standard form is not new for you. For it is scientific notation, this is new topic for you. Scientific notation, it is useful for your 9th standard. For the scientific notation used for astronomers, biologists, engineers, physicists, and many others come across quantities whose measures require very small or very large numbers. Scientific notation is used for very small or very large numbers. For the scientific notation is way to make these numbers easier to work with. So that is very easy to make the numbers, read the numbers, for remember the numbers. It is very useful for the scientific notation. For the general form of the scientific notation is s into 10 power a. For s mean that is a number, the integer or integer with decimal. The s is a integer or integer with decimal, and a is the power. For here 10 power a, for here it is mentioned, for a is a positive or negative integer. For this a is positive or negative integer. For it is s is integer or integer with decimal. For scientific notation, first you write general form. General form is s is 10 power a. Already you are learned about it. That is s is the number with it is a number or number with a decimal. For s is a integer or integer with a decimal between 1 and 10. For here it is whole number or decimal number. But no, for it is lies between, the decimal is lies between 1 and 10. The number, the s is lies between 1 and 10. So not more than 10. But not 10 itself. So that is 1 to 9. For it is between, that means the values between 1 to 10. So between 1 to 10, that is 1 to 9, but not 10 itself. Scientific notation is written as the product of a number and power of 10. For the scientific notation is written as product of numbers and power of 10. For now, the convert standard form to scientific notations. How to convert the standard form to scientific notation? For if the decimal is shifted to the left side, the decimal point moves to the left side, the power is positive. If the decimal point is shifted to the right side, the power is negative. The decimal, for that with the example, I will explain to you. See this example. First standard form is given 0.00123. For this is a standard form. How you convert it as a scientific notation? For the decimal point is here. The decimal point moves. It is the form. For we need one integral part and remaining as a decimal part. So the decimal number, the decimal point have to move here. So how many steps have to move? 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps moves towards the right side. So it is a right side, it is left side. So it is a negative power, 10 power minus 3. Now 0.0123. For it is the decimal point have to move here. So we need one integral part and decimal part. So that means 1, 2. It moves towards the right side. So 1.23 into 10 power minus 2. Now 0.123. So that is the decimal have to move here. So that means for it is 1.23 into 10 power minus 1. It moves for towards the right side. We get a negative power. Then 1.23 is there. Automatically it is in the one integral part and remaining as a decimal part. Only one digit in the integral part. So that integral part value lies between 1 and 10. So that is 1 to 9. So it is 1. So 1.23 into, you no need to convert it as a, for no need to use any rules. Just directly you got to write 1.23 into 10 power 0. So the decimal is not moved anywhere. So 10 power 0. Then 12.3. For that, the decimal have to move here. So towards left side. The decimal have to move here, left. So one step moved. So 1.23 into 10 power 1. The same thing, 123 is there. The decimal not given any decimal. What is that meaning? Decimal is at the end. So this decimal moves to here. So how many steps I have to move? 1, 2. So it moves towards left. So it is a positive power. Then the decimal is at the end. So it have to move here. How many steps I have to move? 1, 2, 3. So 10 power 3. Next, 12,300. So decimal point is not the make, remember it is at the end. So it has moved to here. So 1, for here to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps I have to move. So 10 power 4. Next it has a 5 digits for is at the end. So how many steps I have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moves towards the left side. So it is a positive power. 10 power 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps have to move. So 1.23 into 10 power 6. You no need to write this zeros at the end because after the decimal point, end of the zeros has no value. Listen this note. The positive exponent indicates the large number. For in the scientific notation, the positive power is indicates as a large number. Negative power is indicated as a small number. It is greater number. It is a small number. Students, in the previous video, you are learned about third problem to seventh problem in exercise 1.6. Now, eighth problem, expand using exponents. We have to expand using exponent. That means powers. For 6054.321. 897.14. 6054.321. Now you have to use the place values for integral part separately, decimal part separately. So that is the integral part place values, you know, ones, tens, 100, 1000. The decimal part place value, you know, tenths, hundreds, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Okay. For it is, for ones means, you know, for the number into 1. Tens means the number into 10. The number into 100. The number into 1000. For it is a 1000 place. For it is 10th place means, you know, it is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Tenths means, what is that meaning? Tenths means 1 by 10. Hundreds means 1 by 100. Thousands means 1 by 1000. So that is 6 into, we have to expand this. For it is already you are learned in 5th standard. So that is 4 into, for it is in a 1000 place. So 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100. 5 into 10. 4 into 1 plus 3 into the decimal part, the fraction 1 by 10, 1 by 100 mentioned as a decimal number plus 3 into 1 by 10, 2 into 1 by 100, 1 into 1 by 1000. For it is written as a power 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. 10 cube, it is 10 square, it is 10 power 1, for it is 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1, it is mentioned as 10 power 0. It is 10 power 1. For here 10 power 1 means what? Take to the numerator, it is 10 power minus 1. It is a 10 square. So take to the numerator 10 power minus 2. For it is 10 cube, take to the numerator 10 power minus 3. So that is, suppose you have doubt, 1 by 10 is written as 10 power minus 1. 1 by 100 is written as 1 by 10 square, that is equal to 10 power minus 2. So 1 by 1000 is there. So that is 1 by 10 cube, that is 10 power minus 3. So like this we have to proceed. So now for it is in the powers, we want to write it as a exponent. So that means powers. So For this is the form. So this term 0 into 10 square, it is 0. You have to write this term or you have to leave this. For this is the answer. The second problem 897.14, that is ones, tens, hundred, tens, hundreds. So 8 into it is a 100 place 100, 9 into 10, 7 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10, 4 into 100. So it is 10 square, it is 9 into 10 power 1, it is 10 power 0, 1 into 10 power minus 1, for it is 4 into 10 power minus 2. Eighth problem is a short form to expanded form with using the exponents. Here it is a expanded form is given, we have to write in the standard form. So that is 8 in 10 power 4, 7 into 10 cube, 6 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 power 1, 2 into 1, 4 into 10 power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 power minus 4. The second problem 5 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 power minus 3. Third problem, the radius of a hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 power minus 1 meter. For this ninth sum, for it is the given question, for a 10 power 4 means it is a 10,000, 10 cube means 1000, 10 square means 100, 10 power 1 means that is 10, for 1 means that is 10 power 0. So what is the meaning of 1? 10 power 0, that is a ones place. So 10 power 0 or 1 you have to write. For this, what is this meaning? 10 power 0 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 10,000. For a 10 power minus 4 is there. That is 1 by 10,000. So now according to that we have to write it in the number. So that is you have to start from the ones place. So how many ones is there? 2. How many tens? 5. How many hundreds? 6. How many thousands? 7. How many 10,000? 8. So 87,652 point. For here in the decimal side you see 1 by 10 is missing. So that is 0. 1 by 10 is missing. 10th place is missing. So that is 0. Then 100th place what you have? 100th place what you have? 4. Then for a 1000th place also missing. So that is 0. Then 10,000th place, that is 7. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, that is the decimal part. So 0.0407. For the second problem, the same way you got to write, it is the 100,000th place, it is a 10th place, it is a 10th place, it is a 1000th place. So that is you have to expand it. Then for you have to start from that. For here one's place is missing. For 5 into 1 is missing. One's place is missing. So 0. 10th place is 5. 100 place is missing. So 0. 1000 place is 5. Once again listen. For here one's place is missing. So write 0. 10th place is, for into 10 means that is a 10th place 5. 100 is not there. So it is 0. 1000. How many thousands are there? 5. Point. For it is tenths 5. 1 by 100 is not there. That is 100th place is not there. So 0. Then 1000 place is 5. So this is the answer. Next it is given 2.5 into 10 power minus 1. So it is in the scientific notation form. This scientific notation form you have to convert it as a standard form. For the first method, in the previously I taught to you standard form to scientific notation, we have to follow some rules. For then scientific notation to standard form, we have to follow some rules. First we have to see that, then I will give explanation for this problem. Already we discussed about this standard form to scientific notation. The same thing you have to find this, convert scientific notation to standard form. The reverse rules we have to follow. If the power is positive, the decimal is moved to the right side. Power is positive, we move to the right side. If the power is negative, we move to the left side. But in the previous one, the form, it is a shifted to left, it moves left, power is positive. Shifted to the right, power is negative. The same rules. Suppose it is positive, moves to the right side. In this opposite, it is a left side, it is a negative. At right side, it is a negative. The reverse process for standard form to scientific notation and scientific notation to standard form, getting a reverse format. For this convert standard form to scientific notation to standard form, we need zeros. We have to add at the necessary place. Now, for this problem, 2.5 into 10 power minus 11. For it is a negative power. Negative power means the decimal have to move left side. Decimal have to move left side. Now, the decimal is here. The decimal have to move left side. Left side means for here. How many steps I have to move? 11 steps I have to move. The decimal point I have to move 11 steps towards the left side. So that is, for here the decimal is here in the given question 11 steps. So 11 steps you not have a digit, so you have to write 0. So that is, for it is one digit we have 2. So remaining how many zeros I have to write? 10 zeros I have to write. That is, for it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For already one decimal is there. So remaining 10 zeros are needed. Once again listen students. For the power is negative, it is a scientific notation. This scientific notation we have to convert into standard form. Power is negative, the decimal point move to the left side. So how many steps I have to move related to the power? So minus 11 is there. So 11 steps I have to move. Already one digit is there. So remaining 10 digits are needed. So the 10 digits you have to write 0 towards left side. So that is 0.10 zeros, right? Then 2, 5. Now the 10th problem, write the following numbers in scientific notation. For it is, some numbers are given 4, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is, now for how many zeros are there? 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. For this number, it is a large number. It is a little bit difficult to read and remember. So we make it as a scientific notation. For this, decimal is not there. So what is that meaning? Meaning decimal is at the end. The decimal have to move towards here. So how many steps I have to move? Then it is a positive power or negative power that we have to see now. For if the decimal moves left side, the power is positive. So decimal is here, it moves towards left side. So positive power. So how you write that? 4.678. You leave that zeros. 4.678. And how many steps you have to move? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It moves towards the left side. So it is a positive power. So 4.67 into 10 power 11. For it is 0.00001972. The decimal have to move here. Have to keep here. It is a rules. As per the rules, have to, for this decimal have to move here, this place. So that means how many steps have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps have to move towards right side. The decimal is moves right side. The power is negative as per the rule. So that is 1.972 into 10 power minus 6. 6 steps are moved. Next one, 1642.398. So that is, for the zeros are not there at the end. So all the numerals we have to consider. That is, the decimal have to move here. For this place have to move for here to here. So 1.642398. How many steps move? Decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3. So it moves left side. So positive power 3. Next one, 108300000000. 9 zeros are there. So it is decimal is at the end. Not given decimal. What is that meaning? Decimal is at this place. So how many steps I have to move? Remove that 0. So 1.083 into 9, 10, 11, 12. Moves towards left side. So positive power. They are given the unit. So write that given unit. Cubic kilometer. Next, the last one. For it is how many zeros are there? We have to make a group. For 1, 3, 3 you have to make a group. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23 zeros are there. So this decimal point have to move here. So that is 1.6 into 10 power. The zeros are 21, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 3s are 21. 22, 23. It is for here 24. 21, 22 for this one, including this one. So minus 24. It moves towards the right side. So power is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 24.